My name is Luke Murray. I'm from Sligo in Ireland, and I'm currently taking part in the Erasmus Work Placement Program here in Tenerife.
Hola, soy Daniel Paje, soy diseñador de Carnaval. Yo creo que cada vez que colocamos una pieza nueva en el traje en la que ellos han participado y han visto todo el proceso desde cero, pues se quedan bastante impresionados.
This experience has been really amazing. It's definitely a lot different to at home, but it's been really fun. It's amazing to see how huge the floats are and how you see advertising all around the island. It's such a special thing here. I'm enjoying probably just coming in every day and getting to meet new people. We've worked well as a team. And yeah, I would recommend this to anybody from Ireland who wants to broaden their horizons and do something different. It was an amazing experience for me, so I know other people would enjoy it.